And here's our Sunbeams 2 class with Chelsea and Olivia and Grandma. And there's Mom, and there we are on the grand piano. And we're going to start with solo time before we start our class. Okay, so Olivia, you and I are going to play K9. And you're going to try really hard not to look at your hands, okay? And I think Mom was helping you with that a little bit by covering your hands, okay? So let's just, actually, I won't do that right now. I mean, we were working on that at home. Okay, so on your point, here we go. 1, 2, ready, and play. Sticker on. And we'll invite Mom up, and you're going to slide over, and we're going to practice that duet. We're going to do a recital. And Mom's going to remember, we don't want to hear her all that much. We want to hear Olivia. Now, Olivia, would you like me to point? Okay. So at recital, I won't be able to point for you, but for right now, while we're practicing, I'll point today, okay? Okay, 1, you guys count yourselves in. Tempo. I wonder if we should just slow it down a smidge, just a smidge, okay? Because then you'll feel more confident. And I'd like to hear a little bit more of a forte sound. Just bring out your part a little bit more, okay? I'm worried if you go quite that fast at reciting, just a touch, just a tiny bit, okay? And I wonder if you guys could try to memorize it. That could be interesting. We'll work on that next time, okay? All right, very good. Let's go. Okay, Miss Chelsea, your turn. And while Chelsea comes up for solo time, Olivia's going to use her notework sound. Okay. And Grandma can just wait for a minute. She's going to come up in a minute for her to do that. And right now we're going to play K9, right? Right. And we're trying really hard to work on looking at our books, not looking at our hands. Okay, spider fingers. Oh, where do we sit? Where are we going to go? Where's your right hand going to go? There you go. Okay, here we go. Ready? You ready? 1, 2, ready, and go. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, is using those hand covers, okay? You use the hand covers, you guys still continue to play duets at home, but then hand cover when you're playing together, okay? And where you got mixed up is your nosy neighbor chord. Can you play me a snowman chord in C major? And play me a nosy neighbor chord? And play me a snowman chord? And a hugging chord? Oh, that's a little, yeah, I mixed you up. And a snowman chord. Good girl, see? Okay. All right, now, shall we do our duet with Mom? Okay, so use your hand covers with Grandma, yes. And make sure that you play just a little bit hand separate, just to do the chord changes, okay? All right, Mom? Okay. I'll give that book back down here. Okay. And we'll put these silver tune games back over here. There we go. You still need yours for a minute, because there we go. Okay. Now, do we need to fix where the feet are going? Oh, we got that. Okay. Now, Grandma was going to work on. I think we need to slow down just a touch, and I think Grandma was going to work on coming up a touch. A little bit faster. And also a little bit maybe more staccato. Okay, so we're going to give it a whirl. And you guys count yourselves in. Okay. Do you want 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. If you do that well, recital will be really happy. So we just need to make it secure, okay, with going, counting. So when you practice with Grandma, right, nobody's pointing, right? You have to count in your heads, but no pointing, okay? All right, everybody down and take your book. And now we'll start our class, okay? Here we go. Don't worry about that iPad, okay? All right, you did fine. Okay, all right. So, everybody up and face your partners. Yeah, Grandma just got down and I'm making her get up. That's aerobics. Okay. 1, 2, ready, and clap and tap and clap and knees. Clap, tap, clap, knees. Clap, tap, tap, knees. And I'm just going to make sure we're still recording. Yes, we are. That's good. Okay, so here's the new homework sheet, of course, for Mom. Can you put that on the sofa behind? That's it. And let's look. Oh, look at that. Very good. Is this for both? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. This is for both girls, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So you did your 5 times. Good for you guys. And your H pages. Let's take a look. Maybe Mom can find Olivia's H pages for me. H 22 and 25. Let's take a look at what we did. Well, okay, you did it in one book. You didn't do it in both books. That's what happened. You didn't do it in both books, okay? You did it in one book. Okay. Yeah, okay. So I think you just did this one. Yeah, you just got it done in the one book. So we'll just leave that, and what we'll do is we'll put stickers on both your books, but we'll. Oh, wrong sticker.
Nice.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, and you also have earned your cupcake on your poster, so you put your cupcake on there.
What's Harry Potter?
Okay, and let's give you that back. Oh, okay. All right, let's take your posters back. Did you get it? Did you pick one yet? You're still picking? Okay. You're getting close to, oh, this one, okay. So that's okay. Put another one there, sweetie. Yeah, because remember we go down the line. That's okay, sweetheart. There you go. Hey. Yeah, no, that's okay. That's okay. Don't worry, we'll do that next. Then you're one ahead of the game. You're one ahead of the game for when we get cupcake day. That doesn't mean you get an extra cupcake. No. Okay, here we go. Let's just put those over here. Okay. Now, last week when you were here, we worked on our little K2 song, our C and G are friends, and we were singing it in solfege. And we wrote on our tin sheets line 1 of K2. So let's have everybody stand up and just get your tin sheets ready, right? So that when you come down, or when we sit back down, you can write. What we're going to do today is we're going to sing line 1, but then we're going to sing and write line 2 this week, because we already wrote line 1 last time. All right. So, get a dough. There we go. Grandma's still learning this.
Grandma's still
Here we go. So we're going to go. Do, 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 mi, so, 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 mi, so, so, mi, do, do. Right, now we're going to learn to write line 2. Line 2 starts on mi. Mi, so, so, mi, so, so. Okay, so what was it? It was mi, so, so, mi, so, so. Let's write that on your tin sheets. Grandma will help you. Oh, good, Olivia. Excellent. Remember, we're going to have a lot of notes, so we have to keep it really close together. Keep it very, very close together because we've got lots of notes to write. Excellent. Good. Look at that. Good. Okay, I'm just going to help you because we're just going to move this a little bit closer, okay? All right, let's stand up and finish the line. Poor Grandma. Here we go. And the rest of the line goes like this. Do